Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use NordVPN on your Android phone step by step. I will show you how you can install it, how you can set up, build the connection and some of the important features that keep your phone secure. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try NordVPN for yourself, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our step 1, you will have to install NordVPN from Google Play Store or App Store. So here first of all, launch your Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on the option of search. Here on the top, simply look for NordVPN. The icon of NordVPN is going to look something like this. It is from the officials of Nord Security. So here tap on the option of install in order to install the application. Once the installation is completed, simply just tap on the option of open in order to launch it. Now the first thing that you need to do here is to simply accept the privacy terms. Now if you don't have an account on NordVPN, simply click on the option of sign up. Once you do this, it is going to show you all of the options with the help of which you can quickly and easily sign up on NordVPN. So here you can continue with the help of your Google account, with the help of your Apple account, or you can also provide your email address directly. If you directly provide your email address, on the next page you will have to confirm it and create a strong password for your account. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be continuing with my Google account. So after tapping on continue with Google, simply select that particular email with the help of which you want to create your account on NordVPN. After that, it is going to take some time and automatically redirect you here inside your NordVPN application. Now it is going to ask you whether you want NordVPN to send you the notifications. So I would recommend you to allow all of the permissions that it asks you to do. So once you have done that, before giving you the access to the dashboard, it is going to show you the available plans. So here you can see if you purchase the NordVPN for 1 year, you will get up to 58% off. So here, in order to start the subscription, simply click on the option of start subscription. Now select your preferable payment method and click on the option of subscribe. Basically, you just have to conclude your payment. Only then you will be able to get access to the connection option. So once you log in into your NordVPN account by allowing all of the permissions and by subscribing to their premium plan, you will see a big connect option on the dashboard itself. So here when you click on the option of connect, it will automatically going to connect you to the fastest server available for your location. Below that, we have a bunch of different other options, like we have the globe server. This is going to show you the world map where you can tap on any of the countries to connect with instantly. At the bottom you will see some other tabs as well, like this was the home page. Then we have the servers option. Then we have the security features available, and after that we have the settings of our account. So this is the main navigation for using NordVPN on your Android device. Now we will understand how you can connect your VPN with a server. So to start using the VPN, simply click on the connect option here on the home page. NordVPN instantly chooses the fastest server based on your area. So once it is connected successfully, the screen is going to turn green and you will see a VPN is on message at the top of your phone. You will also see a icon on the notification bar of your phone. It simply means that you have successfully activated the NordVPN. Now if you want a specific country on this particular map, you just have to swipe and browse to the servers list. Here you will see a bunch of different countries, like we have United States, Singapore, United Kingdom, then Canada, Germany. You can also just scroll down here on the home page, then tap on the option of countries. Here you can see almost all of the countries. So the app is going to connect to the best server in that particular region. You can now browse securely and access your content available in that country. Now there are some users that prefer specific cities or specialized servers as well. So here you will see the option of specialty servers. When you click on it, you will see the P2P servers. This is for torrenting. Then we have the obfuscated servers for restricted networks. We have double VPN if you want extra encryption. We also have the option of dedicated IP. If your plan includes it, it will show up over here. So if you tap on the country, a list of the cities will going to be appear in front of you. For example, in the USA, you will see the city options like New York, Miami, Los Angeles, Chicago. So you need to simply choose the city which is closest to your target content and fastest speed preferences. Then you can also enable the auto connect for the full protection. In order to do that, simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the option of settings. Now in the settings, you will see the first option of auto connect. So tap on the auto connect option, then tap on the option of this toggle button right next to auto connect. The auto connect feature is going to connect your phone to NordVPN automatically whenever you join the public Wi-Fi. Your mobile data changes, the VPN disconnects accidentally. You can also choose the specific triggers like always when you are using Wi-Fi or only on the unsecured networks. Now in the settings itself, you just have to scroll down and try to find the option of kill switch. Now you just have to tap on kill switch and enable this option so that your internet stops automatically if the VPN disconnects. So this particular option prevents accidental IP leaks or keeps your identity protected even during the unusable connections. Now go back to the dashboard itself. Here you will see the security features. You just have to turn on the threat protection light. So this also adds extra protection by blocking the ads, any malicious websites, trackers or harmful domains. So this keeps your Android phone safer while browsing. You can also split the tunneling. For that, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Here you will see the option of split tunneling. When you tap on it, this is going to let you choose which app use the VPN and which one doesn't. So here you can basically route Netflix, let's say, through the VPN, but you can keep your banking app outside of the VPN for security reasons. So you can here tap on this toggle button in order to turn it on. After that, go to the option of manage apps. You need to tap on the apps that you want to exclude or include, and NordVPN will apply your preferences instantly. So this particular option is also great in NordVPN. When you are done using the VPN, you just have to return to the home page. Then tap on the option of disconnect. The connection indicator will be turned off and your internet will return to normal. Now if your speed seems slow, you can change the server region or you can switch to a nearby country. If you can't connect, simply enable the obfuscated servers here in the server section. So this is going to help your network block the VPN traffic. Now using NordVPN on your Android is quite simple. Once you set it up the first time, everything runs automatically in the background. You get strong encryption, region unlocked content and full protection while using public Wi-Fi. There are features like auto connect, kill switch and split tunneling make the experience even smoother and faster. So that's how you can use NordVPN on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.